Hey guys, good afternoon. Brian here, and it's New Year's, and we'll start. This is my first 2021 past 2022 video, and I found this at Macy's, and it's the broklyen and monolphosaurs. So this is Camp Cretaceous. Has the Carnotaurus and Darius here. On the back, see, you can get Sammy and the Velociraptor and Darius the Brachiosaurus. I found this one but did not find this one, and I didn't get it, but I have this. Really cool. Has the monolphosaurus, a scooter, and a broklyen action figure. It's from Netflix. You know, so I'll get my scissors. Okay, I'm back. Here it is. And let's get too aggressive on this. This is actually my first figure pack because I always beg for one, and I finally found one in Macy's. Oh gosh, that was extremely destructive. That ripped off part of it. A giant part of it. Okay, let's get everything out. Broklyen and the scooter. Okay, let me get all the trash here. Okay, wow, got all this stuff. Let's start with Broklyen. Wow, she is super cool detail. I mean, she has black eyes. Really cool. Also, in the picture, it says she has like bluish, greenish eyes, but here she has these black eyes. All these figures have this just arm, hand, and then legs, and the head. They all look detailed, like the hair. Now I have 3 of the campers. I have Kenji and Darius, and this is cool to get Broklyen because there's a scene where there's Kenji and Broklyen, so that's really nice touch. If I got Sammy, then it wouldn't work. Wow, she's cool. And there's also a scooter. You can also get this with Kenji and a monolphosaurus right here. So you could just, there's one of these pegs, and then you can just put this right here, and then there. And then I guess you could turn her hands and ride this thing. Okay, that's what it is. And she could just use a scooter, and it has wheels, so it can feel like she's driving the scooter. Okay, enough about the figure's cool. I also like the ripped pants too. Almost forgot about her ripped pants. Like new black. Now let's go to monolphosaurus, looking slick. I have another one too. Let's see. Let's do a comparison, but mine. Here is the savage striped monolphosaurus from Camp Cretaceous, and here's mine, other monolphosaurus from Dino Escape. They're not similar. The head sculpt is different. No action feature. A foot is different. And the arms, tail. This one's like soft, and then this one's a harder. Still kind of rubbery. Well, it says the orange and some black. And here is a scan code. Wow, pretty nice figure. For the articulation, I like this one because it has good articulation. Well, here's this one for this, and also if you're wondering about the monolphosaurus scan codes, here are the both of them. or both of them. These two, they're different. This one has an action feature, arms and leg movements too. This is better. He didn't have his arms like this. Just goes legs. But the coolest part, it has the mouth opens and the neck movement. Wow, really nice. I love these monolphosaurs. I like this one, but this is my second favorite monolphosaurus. My first favorite monolphosaurus is a gray one, but I still like this one. And the tail also like moves too. Looks pretty cool. And they all like stand real nice. But this one stands better. When I try to stand this one up, it falls down. So I'm happy to get this one because he stands up. It takes a few tries to stand the monolphosaurus here, but you get it. Get it. So we'll just make a scene where she's gonna hold. Yeah, I got the and yeah, the monolphosaurus is good as the as as Brooklyn, and with the scooter, and you just wait a minute. She's not. So here it is, Brooklyn the monolphosaurus. Final things to say is that's really cool. And also like and subscribe, and every time gotta give me dinosaur toys, which let's go to my dinosaur collection. You need to get me some dinosaurs I don't have. They're not the same. They're not the ones that I already have, and the ones that they're broken, and you're just gonna do like your life better. So like and subscribe, and you'll get years of good luck.